I don't need instructions. I'm just a boss.
A few moments later.
What have I done here? I don't know. I'm actually, you know what? I'm gonna need some help. Hi everybody, I'm Nick from Thermaltake Australia, and today we're playing some PC Building Simulator. Now, being the resident builder here at Thermaltake Australia, I'm gonna be an absolute pro at this game. I have my nondescript gamer drink ready to go. My gamer headset, of course.
Nice.
And I'm ready to be an MLG pro. So, let's get started. To begin, go to your PC and open the email program. Oh, damn. Damn, look at me go. I think you've taken... Okay, what? Is this like an actual job? I want to work at work. Press 3 or the cable button. I'm plugging the monitor, keyboard. Alright, just that. I never play PC games, so it's going to take me a very long time to get used to actually using a mouse and keyboard. I'm absolutely pathetic. Oh, I see. I actually can't screw this up. Oh, this is easy. Man, I'm such a pro. Oh, okay, wait. Have I installed this? Mega OS, the operating system of choice. I don't need instructions. I'm just a boss.
A few moments later.
What have I done here? I don't know. I'm actually, you know what? I'm gonna need some help.
G'day you legends. Did you know a lot of you haven't actually subscribed to the channel? I'd love to change that. And if you could, and if you're enjoying the content here, feel free to subscribe. If you're not, just subscribe anyway. Let me keep my job. Let us keep putting out videos. That's about it. I'll catch you whenever I see you. Bye.
So apparently everything else I could have plugged into the back of the PC by looking at the window, but not the USB. So, I mean, the game got me.
Got him!
There we go. Like I said, MLG right here. Pick up PC. Oh man, this is easy. Collect. Bam, 100 bucks. And I'll be a millionaire in no time. Man, I'm so good as a builder. Literally, my job has a 100% carryover to this game. Look at me go. I'm a pro. Has anyone built a PC this fast? Not in the history of PC building, I don't think. Let's go. Open CPU shield? Yeah, why not? Just leave it open. What's the worst that can possibly happen? Let's install a CPU. Incompatible? Well, I'll be the boss of that, thank you. If I want to shove a Ryzen CPU in an Intel board, I should be able to. Just put a nice big... Missing... There are no missing parts. I'm just trying to install my thermal paste. Oh, it's already on that tiny little dot? Okay. I mean, if that's how much you want to use, sure. Let's install case fans. Oh, do I have to remove the front panel first? Yes, I do. Look at me. Genius. Oh, look at me. Speed demon. You know what? I should have speedrunner this thing, because I think this is the fastest PC build in history. Do the parts even match? Who knows? Doesn't matter. Not really. Oh, I gotta open the clips as well. Oh, this game's too realistic. Do I have to close the clips? No, I don't. Okay. Thank God. Done. This is exactly like real life, I'll tell you what. Alright, unfortunately did not have time to finish my PC today. I got pretty close though. You know what? First time playing? I don't think I did too terribly. I mean, it is a beautiful PC. Look at that, you know, spaghetti cables everywhere.
He needs some milk.
You know, giant clunky air cooler, beautiful. A graphics card that's like next to useless. Mini RTX in an ATX case. Or what more would you want? You know what? Beautiful. This is a beautiful system. I would buy this, 10 out of 10, $10,000 to whoever wants it. Thank you for joining us today on this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like it if you liked it. Like it if you disliked it. And leave a comment below, which you're going to want to do, because we are actually giving away a free code for PC Building Simulator. So tell me your best PC related joke, the one that makes me laugh the most, will win the code. But I'll tell you what, I lack a sense of humor, so you have to try your best. And like one of our other videos here, watch them, like them, you know the drill.